What up, BHS? On November 20th, Berlin High is hosting the Cereal Domino Challenge during Red C Block in the A Gym. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is the Cereal Domino Challenge? Well, I'm here to tell you. We want to make the world's largest cereal domino chain, and all the boxes we collect are going straight to the Berlin Food Pantry. So we need as many cereal boxes as possible. I want Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I want Tony the Tiger all over this place. I want Rice Krispies, Cookie Crisp. I don't care that they're technically not cereal, it's just little cookies you put in a bowl of milk. I'll take them. I don't care if they're just for kids. Bring me tricks. Off-brand characters, who cares? I need those boxes now. I don't think you guys are hearing me straight. Look how happy this bear is. He's not going to be that happy if you're not bringing in cereal boxes. We don't need raisins in the brand. We just need the brand. Raisins, no raisins, who cares? Bring in the brand. I know you guys think this is a joke, but it's not. Why does my generation always think everything has to be a joke? Cereal boxes are important, man. Donate them. Because without them, this is all for nothing. When I was 4 years old, I had a dream that I built the longest cereal domino chain ever. And I never thought it'd be a possibility. But now, not only do we have the ability to do it, but we get to donate all the food we make to the Berlin Food Pantry. Why wouldn't we? Help kids like me make their dreams come true. I need you guys to help me with this. I can't do this alone. I don't have that much money in my bank account to have 500 plus boxes of cereal. You know, when I was little, they used to call me cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. What does that mean? I just really like cereal, and I really like Domino's. And we have the opportunity to do it together for a purpose, for a cause, for the cure. Help me, BHS. You're my only hope. We'll be collecting cereal boxes from October 24th to November 17th. So let's make the sickest cereal domino chain possible.